Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to edit your username in TikTok. Your username is a unique identifier that represents you on the platform. If you're looking to make any changes, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer of the screen. It's usually represented by a silhouette of a person. Step 3. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. Step 4. In the Edit Profile section, find the Username option. Tap on it to access your username settings. Step 5. Edit your username by typing or modifying the text. You can choose a username that is unique, memorable, and represents your personal brand or identity on TikTok. Once you're satisfied with your changes, simply tap on the Save button to update your username. By following these steps, you can easily edit your username in TikTok, allowing you to have a distinct presence on the platform. Remember, your username is how others will identify you on TikTok, so choose something that reflects your personality or the content you create. Thank you for watching, and happy username editing.